Every Mini ZV2 Smart Plotter is crafted through a rigorous manufacturing process, aiming to bring the customers the top quality products. Starting from the assembly of the frame, every detail is strictly checked. Through aging tests, it is ensured that the machine can run stably under high-load conditions. During the assembly of parts, utmost precision is demanded in every aspect. Severe cutting tests are carried out to ensure the smooth operation of the equipment. The assembly of the machine shell requires meticulous attention to detail, ensuring both aesthetics and durability. After the screen is assembled, the Mini ZV2 is nearly completed. Then, a second comprehensive manual inspection is conducted to strictly control the quality of the machine before it leaves the factory. Each device also needs to pass the two-dimensional precision test to ensure flawless circular cutting. Finally, after cleaning and packing, the Mini ZV2 Smart Plotter will be safely delivered to every customer